What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here, and I'm giving y'all part 2 of how to afford a motorcycle. Cue the intro. What's good, y'all? So last time I told y'all the financially responsible way of how to buy a motorcycle. Now that way is great if you could save money pretty quickly. But if you're in a situation where, you know, it takes you a while to start saving up some cheddar, then it might be a few years before you can buy a motorcycle. And that becomes a problem because, you know, life is too short, man. You can't spend all your life just saving, working and saving. Sometimes it's good to just splurge. Go ahead and let some of that money go. So if it takes you too long to save up, go ahead and finance that bike. Now, when it comes to financing a motorcycle or taking a loan out, there's two different options, well, two different main options. That's assuming you don't have any family members that can loan you the money. That would be the best way, because if they can loan you the money and don't charge you interest, that's your best bet. All right, y'all, so the two basic ways that you could do it are you could either take out a personal loan or you can finance the bike. Man, pretty colors. Coming through this here Research Park. I ain't never been through here before. I was the other day. I drove through here. It's pretty nice. But anyways, so there's two basic ways you can get a loan. You can either get a personal loan or you can finance your bike. Now, when you finance your bike, whatever financial institution that you're getting this loan from, they technically own your bike. So you're going to have to get full coverage insurance. So say you got like a $4,000 bike and you financed it like this. I'll give you my example. If I were to finance this bike, the bank would own this $4,000 bike, and full coverage insurance is damn near the same price. Well, yeah, it'd be almost the same price as paying off that loan. So, and I think I did the math. I think in like 2 years of paying full coverage insurance on this $4,000 Super Sport, I would have paid off the entire price of this bike. So if I were to go that route, I'm paying to insurance, and in 2 years, I've already bought another bike and I don't have anything to show for it. So if you go that route where you finance, you're going to be paying a lot of insurance, especially if you buy a cheap motorcycle like this one. Or you could take a personal loan. Now, the drawback of a personal loan is that interest rates are usually higher. But you would then get the cash and be able to buy your bike cash, and you own it, and you can choose what type of insurance that you put on it. So what I would recommend is y'all do what I did. I got liability insurance, and I pay full coverage insurance to myself. And since I'm paying this insurance to myself, in 2 years, if nothing happens to this bike, I got enough money to just buy a whole nother one if I wanted to. But if you go the finance route, say you want to do that because you plan on getting full coverage insurance anyway, you just have to make sure that whatever payment you're making, you can afford. Now, some people say that some people make it sound like debt is bad. Debt necessarily ain't bad. It just depends on what you're willing to pay for. So, if you really, really want to ride a motorcycle, then paying that extra amount of interest, that let's say 5% interest, might be worth it because you're getting what you want and you're getting it now. So if you do choose to go the financing route, I just recommend that you, again, do the homework on your own budget. See what you can afford. You don't want to have to miss a meal just because you got a motorcycle. Really look to see what you can afford payment-wise. And don't forget that you're going to have to also pay insurance if you finance your bike. But other than that, man, y'all have yourselves a blessed day, because I ain't got nothing else for you. To this exhaust real quick. Squeeze some of that brake. Downshift. Lean. Look at the traffic, see where I'm gonna blend in. Right, chill. So that's right. That's all I got for y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Nasty Yoshi signing out. Peace.